Stop scrolling and start earning. 3 beginner friendly apps that pay you for things you already do. And the best part, these are available worldwide and are completely free. Before moving to the first step, let me tell you what you can expect from these apps. These apps won't make you rich, but you can earn some extra cash in your free time. The first app in our list is Adapole. This app is available for iOS and Android devices, so download the app and create a completely free account by entering your email, or you can sign in through your Google account. This is the interface of the app. This app provides multiple ways to make money. You can make money by answering simple surveys, playing games, and completing simple tasks. You can also make money through referrals. For each survey your friend completes, you get 10% of their earnings. If you go to the wallet section, here you can withdraw your earnings through Skrill and even gift cards. So use my referral code and start earning some extra cash today. The second app in our list is Swagbucks. This app claims that it has paid $65 million in cash to the Swagbucks users. So first create your account by entering your email. It is available for both iOS and Android devices. This is the interface of the website. It provides multiple ways to make money. If you go to the answer and menu bar, here we go. Here we can make money by answering simple surveys. You can also make money by playing games. Here are different games having different categories, ranging from casual games to casino and simulation. If you play this game, you can earn 680 Swagbucks. If you play this game, you will earn 57,000 Swagbucks coins. Let me tell you that 100 Swagbucks coins are equal to $1. So by playing this game, you can earn $57 in total. You can also make money through referrals. You get 10% of your referrals for lifetime. You can invite your friends with 3 ways: by sending a quick email, or posting on social media, or by sharing your direct referral link. You can withdraw your earnings through Skrill, Payoneer, PayPal, and even gift cards. The next step in our list is HeyCash. First, create a completely free account by entering your email, and this is the interface of the app. It provides different ways to make money. If you click on the survey, here you can make money by answering simple surveys. If you click on the offer section, here are a lot of offers to make money from, and by clicking on the games, you can make money by playing different games. For example, if you click on the wishing well game, here you can earn 857,000 coins in total. You can earn points by reaching different levels. You can also make money through referrals. If someone signs up using your code, you get 10% commission on their survey reward. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal and even gift cards.